there's no power in the house. So it's gonna be a little bit dark. So of course the outside looks all horrible and stuff like that. A little fixer-upper. It's actually not bad. The house is built in 2002. So let's go downstairs first. It's gonna look very, very nice once we're done, but it is a little bit rough right now. Ooh. Ooh. Beautiful 12 Norman Road is now done. Another great project, another great renovation, and hopefully will be a beautiful home for a new family. We worked on this house for about 6 weeks all in total. In this home, we ended up doing a lot of renovation. Everything is brand new. HVAC, hot water heater, well pump, septic, control box, new appliances, new flooring, new paint, new sliding glass doors, a lot of new parts in this house. We also added up a new deck on the back. So we purchased this house at $340,000. We did spend about $52,000 on renovation. We did pay some interest on the loan, which is about $10,000, and house is listed at $450,000 right now. We'll see what we can get. I bought this property on one of my favorite foreclosure websites, again, habzoo.com. I did online bidding. We were the winning bid and our bid was accepted and we took on the project. If you're in an area and you're looking to start flipping homes or buy an investment real estate or maybe add to your investment portfolio, feel free to reach out and I will be happy to help and chat and share my experience.